I'm so excited. I'm about to go home and open it up. So excited. So I made it home. So now I'm about to open up my box for my camera. So y'all, I had to pay way too much to get my camera repaired. Getting my camera out of the box. Oh, they even gave me a whole new, wow, okay, Canon. They didn't give me a whole new battery charger, which I already have. And then I also have the little string. Third battery, so I already have 2 batteries, so this is my 3rd battery. And let's see my baby. I finally got my baby back, y'all. After 2 weeks, 2 long weeks, I got my Canon back. Okay. This, y'all, hold on, this looks like a whole new camera, y'all. When I tell you this camera does not look like the same camera, literally, see, when I sent it to them, it was like, my camera was like kind of a little dusty. Put in my actual battery. Y'all, I am so excited. I didn't think Canon was gonna come through for us, sister. Right here. Okay. All right. Ready for me to put this on? Y'all ready for me to put this camera on, y'all? Look at the whole camera all over again. So this is my camera that I got back from when it got wet. Canon G7X Mark II. So I'm gonna have to program it. So I'm about to go ahead and program it. And let me see on my phone. It is 3:38. Excuse the look. It's just, girl, I don't know how I slept last night. But excuse the look. Excuse the look, honey. So, y'all, I have to start. Oh my God. Just to think about it, y'all, it's like giving me anxiety. Or should I say it's making me feel a little overwhelmed. So, before fall even came, we were supposed to go on our anniversary trip to Miami, right? And what happened was we had to push the trip back because of the storm. The storm seems like it did everything to us. So we had to wait a while, a couple weeks, or should I say a couple days. We had to wait on, like, okay, so we was monitoring the storm when it was coming. We didn't think the storm was going to be as bad as it was, but it was as bad as they said it was. So we had to cancel, not really cancel our anniversary vacation, but we had to kind of postpone it. So we postponed it at first. Okay, so our original date was supposed to be September the 7th to the 11th, I think. So 7, 8. Hold on, y'all. Let me take my phone out so I can look at the date so I can make sure. So the original date that was planned, like 4 or 5 months in advance, supposed to be on the set. Yeah, I was correct. 7 to the 11th. We had to postpone it because of the storm had came and it just did so much damage. So we was gonna go the 28th to October the 1st, but we ended up postponing that. So now our new date is a week away, which is the 11th. Hold on. Is it the 11th? Is it the 11th? 11th to, yeah, it's October the 11th through the 15th. So originally we were supposed to be leaving on a Tuesday, but we ended up dropping it down to a Monday. So it is a week away from vacation. I originally packed my clothes that I was already wearing each day. So now I have to go back into my luggage, repack, because I need to check the weather in Miami to see how it is, because I don't know if it's gonna be cool. I don't know if it's gonna be hot. I don't know if it's gonna be warm. I don't know how it's gonna be in Miami at all. So I wanna be prepared and bring me some jeans, bring me some cute booties in case it is cool. I want to be able to have different options and choices. Now I need to find somebody to braid my hair to the back. I was thinking about doing a sew-in, but I don't know how I feel about that right now. About the tension on my hair. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and, well, now I'm gonna have to find somebody to scalp braid my natural hair to the back, like really, really flat, so I could wear the wigs that I have. I'm only bringing 2 wigs because I don't want to deal with the hassle. So I am just going to do that because it's going to be very convenient for me. Now I'm probably going to take you guys with me also with packing and getting everything together and stuff like that. I still have to go to the store to see if I can pick up a few items. I do have 2 pairs of jeans so far, well, really one, because I have been losing weight. So one is what I really have. The other pair is that I have is 2. It's black and another black pair and the regular jean kind of pants. They're too big. Like it's like big in the back part and it's big in the crotch part, and I don't want to go ahead and get that hemmed up. Not right now because I'm on crunch time. So I may have to go get me 2 more pair of pants. Even though I know I'm not gonna need all of it, but I'm gonna go ahead in my luggage tonight and see what all I need to get. And then I'm also gonna check the Miami weather to see, in case you guys did not know, that's why we're going to Miami. If I mentioned it or not, or if I did, we are going to Miami. So I'm about to check the weather now and see, but it could possibly change from the time that I'm looking at it now up until next week. So that's kind of iffy. But I'm just going to go ahead and grab a few sweaters, and I'm going to bring me a pair of boots in case, we decide to do something at night. I'll have something comfortable and I won't be like kind of frigid and trying to wonder what I'm going to wear, because I probably don't want to wear my feet out, my toes out all the time, because I get cold really fast. So I can't see. I might have to add in the weather, but I'll just check the weather as as it get closer and closer to us. But in the meantime, I need to tidy up the house real quick. I need to go to the store and pick up a few more items, and then I need to go through my suitcase. I need to I gotta work out tonight at 6 p.m. What else I gotta do? I don't want to make groceries this week. I probably will make groceries next week, because I don't want to make the groceries if I know we're about to leave in another week. So before I leave to go on vacation, I want to make sure the house is spick and span. I want to make sure clothes are washed. Everything is tidied up. Nothing is not where it's supposed to be. I want to make sure that everything is good. Everything pulled out, clean, everything. Like, not saying that nothing does not get pulled out, but it does get pulled out every time I tidy up and clean and stuff like that. Because it's just our floors, like, they attract so much dust. Like, I be wondering where it come from, but our hardwood floors does accumulate a lot of dust. So like, I've been a clean and mop, I've been a swept and mop Monday. Well, I'm gonna see dust and everything on Wednesday. So but I don't have a problem with it. So yeah, so I just wanted to rant and talk to y'all, open up the vlog to show y'all, I'll tell y'all what's going on. I don't know today. That's my day for sure for now. But I'm about to go ahead in here and tidy up, and then I'll talk to y'all a little later. Hey y'all, hey, it's kind of dark right now. But I want to show y'all, I got like these 3 sets from Amazon. And these 3 sets is whatever perfume you want to put in there. You can definitely do that instead of bringing your whole bottle on the plane with you or in your luggage. And this is the tip, the actual tip of it. And then how you want to put how you'll be able to put your perfume in there is, I'm gonna show you right now. You take the bottom of this right here, and then you take the actual sprayer part off of and you kind of just go down with it, go down, and it actually inserts the actual perfume that you want to spray in there. And baby, we are going to Miami, and I've been having this Coco Chanel, I can't even say the name, y'all, but it's Coco Chanel that I've been got for Christmas 3 years ago that I barely even wear. But I'm probably gonna fill up 2. I maybe gonna fill up 2 of these little bottles because I have 2 more. And I want to smell really good. Like I really want to, y'all can't see my head, I really want to smell really good every single day while I'm in Miami, because I'm gonna have like, I'm gonna be like very sexy, and I don't need to be not smelling good, you know, because I need to smell good. But I'm about to show y'all what all I have up in my suitcase. And hold on, y'all, let me get my suitcase right now. So if the quality is different this time, y'all, I'm actually on the camera this time. I'm not on the actual DJI pocket. I need to get this room situated. Like, I'm not in a rush to get it done, but it need to get done. Alright, I'm gonna turn my camera on so y'all can see. Y'all, this is for my niece, so when she come here, she have a little, you know, a little toy. But this is my suitcase, and I already got my lock and my tag and stuff like that on there. So I'm about to go ahead and open it up. Let me see. I think I open it up. I'm opening it from this side. I think. What side is I'm opening it up from? Okay, from this side. I'm gonna tilt it down so show y'all. I have to repack, y'all. I really have to repack everything because I have this, which I don't know why this is sitting on the top, because I need to just repack everything, because I think I flipped it over and opened it up the wrong way. This was supposed to go on, y'all. This is a little bit messy right now, but once I organize everything, get everything the way I need it to get. Why is my mask up in here? Like, why? This suitcase made me feel like I got a lot of mess going on. So I'm gonna take this mask out here and this chain for my white purse. So remember I told y'all that I had some jeans? I had jeans, 2 pairs of jeans, but then I said no, 1 pair, and that was the other pair that I had got from Old Navy. But these are a pair which is in a size, let me see, oh my gosh, these were in a size 20. I cannot fit a 20 right now, at all. I done dropped down from a size 20 to a size 16, and probably going down even more. But I'm not going to show you guys that I'm going through all of this. I just want to show you guys that I need to just reorganize my suitcase, and I'm going to put everything up in here a little bit better than what it is now. So I got to cover my address. I don't need to be exposed like that. But anyways, it's my dress I've said about 100 times, and I do have like my personal, like my bra and everything in here, my underwears and stuff like that. I have some other stuff, but like I said, I'm not gonna take you guys along with me right now. This is like my toothbrush and everything like that, and my razors and stuff in case I need to like shave, a quick shave. I have my accessories right here, but I really would do just adding a vlog showing you guys me organizing all this, because all this was not like this. Somehow, some way, I made a mistake and flapped everything over to where it just made it so messy. But these pants is, I'm not gonna wear these because they're too big. As you guys can tell, they have rips in them, so I'm not wearing this. I am wearing this. I love this skirt. I can wear that with some open toes, but some nice little black booty. Why I keep saying booty? Is it with a like a leather? Oh no, it's not leather. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to show y'all. It's a heel that's like a small open toe, and it's like the material is like suede, and it's made for winter weather. So I do want to get that. I'm just gonna put everything back in here. Y'all, look at my black hat that I got. So freaking cute. Like it was a vibe for me, y'all. Like girl, look, I was ready. I got more than one hat, but I probably will wear that hat. This mask, I probably will get some disposable. I'm gonna get some disposable masks, so I'm not gonna put this back up in there. This is my actual night clothes, my pajama set, because I don't have a pajama set. Well, I have pajama sets, but they're old. So I'm gonna get these jeans out of here, and I'm gonna go ahead and close up the actual go ahead and close up the actual suitcase because I'm tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and close up my suitcase, and then y'all, today the only thing that I got a chance to do was tidy up the house. My sister ended up calling me. Y'all, excuse the makeup, I was just trying to plan makeup. Yeah, so I was trying to have a productive day, but my sister ended up calling me and telling me that she needed a jump, so I had to leave from doing what I had to do for my house and having to go help her, which I didn't mind, and that kind of threw me off. So I didn't even go work out today. I was supposed to go work out today. I didn't go work out today at all either. So it is technically 9:15 at night. I am going to get up in the morning at 5. No, not at 5, Takara. You're getting up at 4 to be there for 5. Correct. Yeah, that's right. I'm getting up at 4, maybe 4:15 to get ready to go work out tomorrow morning. And then all the things that I needed to do today as far as going to the store, I got to get that done, because if you really think about it, it's crunch time for us, okay? And then I had to make a nail appointment. I'm undecided if I want to make my nail appointment for Saturday or Monday morning. But most likely, you know what I'm going to do to get everything out of the way, because I do want to make a maintenance vlog or a vacation maintenance vlog. I do want to, because I already done scheduled my Brazilian wax for Friday at 9 o'clock. So I scheduled that. I talked to my cousin, because she's a beautician, but she's been so busy and booked. So I talked to my little cousin to see if she'll be able to braid my hair. So I'm going to see if she can braid my hair Monday. And I'm going to freshen up my wigs on Sunday. So therefore, when we get ready to leave Tuesday, I can be like, I got rub on there. But as you guys was looking at my suitcase, I'm going to have to literally go through it a lot. And reconsider my outfits, because the outfits that I had was really cute, but I don't want to have to feel as though I have to go get all these outfits because I done lost weight. Because I started off at 219, and when I got back on the scale, the last time I got on the scale, I was 199. So y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog, because I just really was just rambling just now, which that's what I do. I love to ramble. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it, and then I'll see y'all tomorrow, or not tomorrow, maybe the next day, because I have a lot of stuff that I gotta do tomorrow to kind of catch up. I still gotta pick up some stuff for my husband. Y'all, I could go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. So yeah, I'll see y'all not tomorrow, because this vlog right here is going up tomorrow. So I'll see y'all on Thursday, Friday. I'll see y'all the rest of the week. But other than that, I'll see y'all later. And y'all have a wonderful night. night or a wonderful day when y'all see this vlog.